top of the morning, USA. There have been many reports of clay sculptures in this house. You need to search your home for clay sculptures, some are not hidden in or found in places such as bedside knitstand tables. But we have also gotten reports of them being underneath cabinets, behind the trash can, and well-hidden areas. You need to find the sculptures and report it to authorities immediately. If you find a clay sculpture in your house, you need to leave immediately. Your house is no longer safe. You've been marked by the entity, and we are calling it Ocaemenenius. Ocaemenenius, it is very dangerous and should be avoided at all costs. And if you have a clay sculpture, do not touch it only infuriate it. We will now show most common areas for Ocaemenenius sculptures. If you are in a green state, please evacuate to a white state. Please have supplies that will last duration of your travel. Travel only during the day, and if you plan on going to sleep, stay in lit areas. Ocaemenenius only attacks during the night or in dark areas. They have already been 1,600 plus deaths, and if you see anyone dead with a clay statue near her body, stay away from it. It's not going to be dead for long. When the dead come back, this is when we will call you HJRDS. Sooner they are very dangerous and should be avoided. If you have access to a fire, run. Please keep it on your person at all times. Do not try to fight HJRDS Sunni in hand-to-hand combat. They will win. Try to stay at a distance, but they are kill. Try to hit the brain or vital organs. But be careful, some parts have been replaced with hardened clay. It will make it hard to destroy, but not all is clay. Some is flesh. HJRDS Sunni are no longer human, and they should be shot until they hit the ground and stop moving. They are not human. Do not treat them like human. Stay safe and stay alert. God bless America. God bless our souls, and may God have mercy on his soul.